What is going on, traders? It is James Lee here from Celestin Capital, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to a brand new week of trading, guys. I wish you guys a successful and great week this week. And don't forget, this week is NFP, so make sure you guys be careful. Make sure your risk management is on point. And yeah, let's get this week started, guys. Let's go back to what happened last week. This is where we currently stand. We are down 9%, about 8.7%, almost 9%. But we got to rally back, guys. We got to rally back. This is the last week. I think we have until the 8th. So this week and I think 2 days next week, we have to make some profits. Right now, I'm looking at GCAT. I'm looking at taking this sell right here. I'm just waiting for price to break this structure, this swing low, and I'll look for a retracement back into some kind of imbalance over here, and then I will take the sell to continue down. And that's currently what I'm looking for right now. In terms of the other pairs, I'm just waiting for gold to make its move. I think that it's going to uh, take out this liquidity right here, this liquidity high that I have marked up right here, activate buy stops, and then continue selling down to this demand zone down here. So gold, we'll see if we can catch an opportunity. If we get some structure, so a lot better structure within here, then I'll take a sell down to the demand zone that I talked about. GU, this trade is currently being forward tested. I am not in this trade, but ultimately I'm looking for sells either from here or here, depending on what happens once we get around 9:30. I'll maybe look for the buy up to the supply zones to sell it down. And you can see trendline liquidity forming as well. So we're building liquidity, we're building buy side liquidity, so we can ultimately take it out later on. US 30. This is being forward tested as well. This buy right here, but I'm looking for buys up to this demand zone right here, and then we'll look for sales. We'll look for structure to form. So US 30 is going to take off somewhere around. Well, lately it's been taking off pretty late, around 11, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're going to be waiting for it to create some more structure. Potentially, we can catch the buy up. I just need more structure to form and see how I can capitalize on that. And yeah, it's currently what I'm looking for, y'all. What we have so far. So we're getting a break of the swing low. So I may get ready to enter this. If we get a candle close below this low, then we'll be good for the sell down to down lower. So I'm gonna get in on the feel of this imbalance. Stop loss is gonna be about 10 pip or 12 pips on MetaTrader. So yeah, currently what I'm looking for, and I'll give you guys an update whenever I decide to get into this trade, which should be soon. Be back in a sec, guys. We have just entered into the market on the fill of this imbalance, expecting price to continue to fill in a little bit and then eventually drop down. Our stop loss is right up here, as you guys can see. Let me show you guys that we're in the market right over here. So currently in the market, we're expecting price to sell from here. And my target for this is going to be, in terms of TP, is going to be these equal lows right here that you see. Right over here. A little bit equal lows down here. So that's about a 1 to, let's take a look. It's about a 1 to 14 if all goes well. At some point, of course, once price breaks this low, I may look to go break even and then just let the trade right out. The reason I'm holding this for a swing trade, as I told you guys before, we are currently down about 8%. So swing trades are going to be the best for me. It's either going to hit TP or it's going to hit stop loss or break even, one or the other. So yeah, I'm going to hold this for a swing trade. Normally, I would partial at the next low, but again, we're down 9%, so we've got to hold these trades. And yeah, we're looking to make some nice profit off this trade, and we'll see how this goes. Let's take a look at what else is going on in the market. Still waiting for gold to go up. GU currently bullish, well, in profit. Again, this is being forward tested, and this wasn't taken live at all. So yeah, we'll log this trade and see after we see how it goes, and yeah, we'll save it and see how we can use that for future references. And US 30, I'm expecting it to tap into this institutional candle, last down candle before price broke this high over here. And we're looking for structure to continue up from here. And as I told you guys before, around 9:30 or later on today, we're looking to sell it from here. If I can catch a nice buy up, then I'll do that. If not, I'm not going to force anything. Not that I ever force anything, but never looking to force anything. So yeah, we're gonna monitor this trade, continue to look at it, and see how price reacts around this area. So I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna do some meditation, and I'll be back in a few. We got stopped out on this GCAD trade, and yeah, so we're currently down. Where we at? We're down 8.7% about, and yeah, no big deal. We're gonna continue to look forward. We are currently looking at US 30 and GU. The GU 4 test is looking good so far. So we'll see how we can position ourselves for. Well, I don't think there's maybe opportunity for buys, continuation of buys. I'm looking for it to continue up, as I told you guys before, to this level right here, either this level, or this level that I have marked up. So we're going to continue to monitor that. Gold is buying up as well, getting near our liquidity. We're expecting sales from here. We'll wait for structure to continue forming, giving us some kind of a break of structure or shift of microstructure, and we'll take it to the downside. That's currently what we're looking at, and I'll give you guys an update whenever something happens. Current update: we are waiting for US 30 to break these lows that you see right here. Looks like trend line liquidity is forming, so we're expecting these lows to get liquidated and for us to get tapped into the swing low and for price to continue to the upside. Right now it looks like buy stops are getting ran and we're coming down for the sell stops, and then we're going to continue with buying pressure. So we'll be waiting for that, expecting that to continue. This trade again was not taken, and I'm going to forward test this gold trade right here. I haven't hopped in yet into the forward test. I'm waiting for price to break the swing low right here, and then I'll look for a retracement back up to fill the imbalance, which it looks like it's doing right now, and then continue selling. But if it fills this imbalance, no longer interested because it liquidated this high, and we see a shift of microstructure. So we'll see what happens within the next few minutes, and that'll determine whether we take this forward test or not. Again, this is not being taken on any live account or anything like that. So I'll give you guys an update whenever something happens. Be back in a sec. All right, guys, GU is heading towards our entry point, so we're going to look to take an entry at this swing low that you see right over here. Sorry for the noise. They're cutting grass outside my house. All right, sorry about that, guys. They are cutting grass outside, and very annoying. But this US 30 sale is going to be a forward test as well. This gold sale looks pretty good so far, forward tested. We are going to continue to monitor this trade just as we've been doing, and we're looking to take it potentially to these liquidity lows down here. In terms of GU, I'm going to look to buy GU at this point and take it to the upside to fill the imbalance up here and sell from up here or either up here. So give you guys an update whenever we get some interesting. Be back in a sec, guys. Quick update, guys. We've decided to use this swing low down here instead of this one right here. This will make it liquidated and then tap us into this one to continue to the upside. So we've just changed our swing low. We're still expecting price to continue to the upside. We're just switching the swing low that we chose. And yeah, looking to get in on here and take price to the upside. Be back in a little bit. Let me show you guys what's going on so far. Gold is coming back to entry. Oh my gosh. Wow. This would have been a beautiful trade if we didn't get stopped out. Wow. It's crazy. I did not see this. We're expecting price to take out these lows right here. I showed you guys before. We got some equal lows down there. But yeah, it's crazy. I gotta figure out where it. I think I've got to back test this. See where we could have gotten in, how we could have gotten in to this trade a lot better instead of getting stopped out. So I'll be back in a sec, guys. Give you guys an update. We have officially been tapped into the trade. If we take a look here, you can see we've entered the trade. Our buy limit got hit right on the dot, right on the money. So we're expecting price to continue up. And I'm looking to fill in this imbalance that you guys see right here. This huge imbalance. I'm expecting price to fill all of that in. This should be a profit of around, let's see, hover up, about 8K. So this should be nice. And we should be close to break even. Not quite, would be around 99.3, around there, if this TP gets hit. So yeah, we're going to look to hold this, whether it takes a few days or not. We're going to look to hold this. And yeah, we're currently down 8.7%. So if our stop loss gets hit, this risk is about 1%. If our stop loss gets hit, it won't be good for us. We're pretty much done with the challenge. But we're looking to, we're looking to hold this trade, however long it takes. If it's a swing trade, we're looking to hold it and take price to the upside. So as I told you guys, it's about 80 pips, and we'll see what happens from here, guys. Be back in a second. Here is our current standing. We are well in profit, and we're just holding it till it gets up here, as I told you guys before. Here's where we are right now, 28.60. Profit of 81.20. So we're looking to take this thing all the way up. The risk to reward is about a 1 to 5, so not bad. 15 pip stop loss and 80 pip take profit. So it's nice. All right, so we're looking to hold this, as I told you guys, and we should be somewhere around break even. And once you get a break even, we're just gonna call it quits for the FTMO challenge, and we're gonna take the retry instead, because we only have about a week or so, exactly a week, I think, to get to 10% target, and to go from break even to 10%, to achieve 10% in a week. Pretty tough, right? I would have to over leverage, and that's just going to cost me my entire account. Why would I do that when I can just take the retry for free? Get a whole another 30 days to make 10%. So I'd rather have 30 days to make 10% than 10 days to make 10%. I'd rather have 30 days to make 10% than 7 days to make 10%, or 5 days, because trading day is 5 days. So I'd rather have 30 than 5 days, or 25 days than 5 days. So the current standing, guys. I'll be back with an update in a few. We're not in any other trades right now. This gold forward test. Gold is still consolidating around this area. US 30, that did not work out. That was just forward tested. GCAD. This would have been a beautiful trade if I did not get stopped out. Again, I've got to go back and see how I could have positioned myself better into this trade. And yeah, this would have been very nice. A nice risk to reward. Already 80 pip drop, and continuing to the downside to take out these equal lows that I showed you guys earlier. So it's currently where we are right now. And yeah, I'll give you guys an update in a few. I'm going to go take care of some things, do some other things. I'm not trying to be on the charts all day. And yeah, that's where we are right now. So give you guys an update whenever I get back. Back with an update. GU has pushed to the upside. It's retracing right now. So this move should happen in London sometime, or early New York. And now we're just going to hold this. We're currently about, let's take a look, 3.3 in profit. We're going to continue to hold it. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm going to move my stop loss down here. I don't expect price to come all the way down. So as I said, we're going to continue to hold it, and we'll see what happens. No other trade was taken. Yeah, we're going to continue to monitor this stuff. We are going to continue to monitor, guys. This was just a quick forward test, and we'll see what happens as price continues to climb up on GU. So I'll give you guys an update whenever I can. This is going to be the end of the video. I'll give you guys an update in the next video. So I'll see you guys in the next one.